Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at the Wings Mix Vlog. So it's 10, I think 10:15 in the evening today. Here, not today, tonight. Here, the time is 10:15 in the evening. So April 19, 2022. So I'm making this video because I just want to show you guys the road condition here right in front in our house. So let's go and take a look. I'll show you the road condition right now, how narrow it is now. Yeah, so okay, let's go. It's cold a little bit, like maybe it's -5, maybe, I don't know. So the bin over there are the basurahan. Okay, tomorrow will be the day nga mo pick up ang City of Government, City of Estevan sa mga basura. So amua kay nag puno kaayo siya kay last week Wednesday that was the blizzard, so they were not able to pick up the garbage. So now right now this is the road condition we got here in our street, Albert Street. So yeah, so the road is become narrow now because they are making a snowfall in the center. And look at that, the snow. Look at the snow. And this is so like it's like a stone. See? Look. Ano siya ang condition. Grabe kayo siya. And ani, tanawon siya, katong flat siya, mararagamay siya tanawon. But when kuan na nabuldos na siya, ibutang nila sa tunga kay magdili na nila maato ba, dili na nila maato og hakot. Eh, dili naman, so mag-wait na lang ni siya nga mo melt down. But the thing is, another forecast this week, by Friday, Saturday, Sunday, will be snowing again. Yeah, so this is what happened April, like April Fools always. See, yes, supposedly it's springtime and we can see the new leaves blooms, even the cherry blossoms during April, but no, nothing but this time yet. So I don't know if it's still blooming. Hopefully after this, oh, I don't know, by May, or I don't know, because this is the first time ever that happened here in my life since we arrived here 2015, and it's already 7 years, but still but yeah, this is our first time that this happened during April time na inani ka baga ang snow. Yeah, it's like there were time na nagkuan siya, nag-snow, even May mag-snow, pero hindi inani kadaghan. It's like if it snow today, then tomorrow gone, like that. But this time it's like you feel like December and January. Yeah, so yeah, so this is our road condition even over there. But there, like the main road, it's clean already. It's clean already. But since that kini siya nga street diri, this is kanang street na going to school, St. Mary's and the other school, the high school. So since no classes for 1 week because it's their Easter break, so giawahira nila diri till such time na kuan na siya ning gahi na og maayo. So dili na nila pwede mas snowblower kay dili na siya makaya na sa snowblower. So ilan na lang na siyang gikandos, gibulos, gibutang siya, gihimo island sa tunga. So yeah, so yeah, this is our condition here. So yeah, so Let's go inside now. Okay, tugnaw na. Let's go inside the house. So that part over there, like that one, the dark part in there with the blue lights, and then that's the house in front of us. So over that house, the sky, that's the part na mag-show up ang aurora borealis here, the northern lights. So every time mag-show up, so nadyan ko daling napita mag-take me a picture. So there's no northern lights today. So we'll see, hopefully will show up again this summer, or I don't know, I have to check the forecast when. Inside. Oh. Inside now. And then I'll show you also our deck. Kung kuan ba siya. Na-melt ba siya, pero wala gyud. We'll see. Yeah, so naapagihapon ang snow. Remember na I have post video nga nag-make of fun sa among deck. So sa among roof wala na siya. Kaya nag-init man for pila na 2 days. So melt. Pero down here, although dili na siya tupong sa windows, but still nagyapon siya. So ano siya. That's for tonight, guys. So thank you sa akong mga subscribers, sa mga nag-follow na ako. Daghan kayong salamat ninyo, guys. So I now that I got lots of views from my previous video, like I'm so happy. I have one video na ning reach na siya og 200 plus. It's all about blizzard. So I'm so happy, yeah, even though I only have few subscribers yet, but I'm still hoping na those who will like check and watch my video. If you're not subscribed yet to my channel, hope you can subscribe me and follow me, because yeah, I'm willing to give update and everything, like if summertime and fall time. So yeah, so thank you, guys. So hopefully you're still following me. So thank you, and God bless us all. Keep safe always, and God bless, and always remember Jesus loves us. Bye. Thank you.